Today is a beautiful day for a HIIT workout. I'm going to do a 14-minute HIIT workout, and if you're not sure what HIIT is, it's high intensity interval training. So you want to go as hard as you can for the allotted time, which in this case is 30 seconds, and then we will be resting for 30 seconds. It's quick, it's challenging, but as with all of my workouts, there are modified versions for exercises that have jumping. So if you need low impact exercises, just swap it for one of those and you will still get a very challenging workout in. The workout consists of 6 exercises that again we will be doing for 30 seconds on and 30 seconds off with a 2-minute break in between rounds. And I will be going through 2 rounds. Add on more rounds if you're up for it. And the exercises in this workout are knee drives on both the left and right side, squat and twists, ice skaters, in and out, and mountain climbers. And now that you're prepped on what to expect in the workout, let's get our sweat on. First up are right knee drives. You're gonna put all of your weight on your left foot as you drive your right knee up and you meet your hand in the middle. The key with these is you wanna go as fast as you can without losing your balance. And now we're gonna rest for 30 seconds. During the rest, you wanna keep your heart rate up by constantly moving your feet and shifting around. And next up, we have left knee drives, which is gonna be the same as the right knee drives, just on the other foot. So you're gonna put all of your weight on your right leg as you drive your left knee up. Next we have squat and twists, and there is a modified version of this exercise where it's just squatting in place. But with squat and twist, you want to squat down and then twist 90 degrees while keeping your head facing forward the entire time. And you're gonna shift from left to right. Next up we have ice skaters, and with ice skaters you're going to be hopping side to side while switching your arms. And as you can see in the left video, I'm jumping wide, but then you can see shortly here I will switch to doing more of a narrow jump, which is what I will be showing you in this video, as most people comfortably can do this one. On the right side you'll see a low impact version that has no jumping and is more of just curtsy lunges from side to side. Now we have in and out squat pulses, and with this you're alternating between a narrow squat to a sumo squat while jumping in between. With the modified version, you will see that it is just going from a narrow squat to a sumo squat without any jumping involved. You're going to want to stay low to the ground as you do the jumping motion. we are going to end with our mountain climbers. So with mountain climbers, you're gonna go into plank position and pull your knee to your chest one at a time. The modified version is going slow without any jumping involved. And that concludes the first round. We still have one more round left in this workout. I have the timer going for 1 minute, but I recommend you wait at least 2 minutes or however long you need in between rounds. For the sake of time, I didn't want to leave a blank screen up for 2 minutes, so just pause this video and then start it back up at the end of this 1 minute timer and you will go right into the second round.